Mars, the red planet. A cold, dusty desert with no breathable air. And no return ticket. But what if we could live there? Is humanity ready to colonize another world? Or is this just science fiction wrapped in Hollywood dreams? Today, we'll uncover the truth. From radiation and frozen soil to real NASA plans. This is Can We Live on Mars? Science versus Sci-Fi. Chapter 1. What Mars is really like. Forget the movie scenes. Mars isn't just red. It's deadly. Average temperature? -80 degrees Fahrenheit. Atmosphere? 96% carbon dioxide. Gravity? Just 38% of Earth's. Oh, and did we mention the radiation? Mars has no magnetic field to protect you like Earth. A year on the surface would expose you to 30x more radiation than on Earth. Enough to damage your DNA and raise cancer risk drastically. And yet, we're still dreaming about living there. Chapter 2. Can humans even survive there? Let's talk survival. Oxygen? There's none to breathe. Water? Only locked in ice or bound to minerals. Food? You'd have to grow it inside sealed greenhouses using Martian regolith and recycled waste. NASA's experiments show it's technically possible to grow potatoes in Martian soil, but only after removing toxic perchlorates. As for air, MOXIE, a device onboard NASA's Perseverance rover, has already converted Martian CO2 into oxygen. A promising step, but we're far from breathing comfortably on Mars. Chapter 3. How Sci-Fi got it wrong. And right. In The Martian, Matt Damon farms potatoes in poop-fertilized soil. In Total Recall, a machine instantly gives Mars an atmosphere. Cool? Yes. Realistic? Not quite. But Sci-Fi does get some things right. Long space journeys. Reliance on artificial habitats. Psychological toll of isolation. In fact, NASA and ESA have run Mars analog missions, where volunteers live in Mars-like conditions on Earth to prepare for this very challenge. Chapter 4. What a Martian base would look like. No domed cities yet. A real Mars habitat would likely be underground or covered in regolith to protect from radiation. Picture this. Pressurized modules. Hydroponic farms. 3D. Printed shelters made from Martian soil. Energy? Probably from solar panels, but they need dust-proofing. Water? Extracted from ice beneath the surface. Everything recycled. Every breath, every drop of water, every ounce of waste. Living on Mars would be more like living in a submarine inside a freezer than a space resort. Chapter 5. When could we go? NASA aims for crewed missions to Mars by the 2030s. Elon Musk's SpaceX? He says Starship could get humans there even earlier, possibly within a decade. But landing is only part of the mission. You need life support, radiation shielding, food production, and maybe hardest of all, a way to get back. Each mission window comes only once every 26 months, when Earth and Mars align. We're racing against time, budgets, and biology. Chapter 6. What needs to happen first? Before we plant a flag, we need long-term testing of life support systems in space, radiation shielding that works and is lightweight, efficient propulsion systems to shorten the trip, reliable surface habitats that can be launched, landed, and assembled robotically. Terraforming? That's a dream for centuries away, if ever. Living on Mars won't be about changing the planet. It'll be about changing ourselves to survive in a place that doesn't want us. So, can we live on Mars? Possible? Yes. Practical? Not yet. Sci-fi dream? Absolutely. But science fiction often leads to science fact. Planes, submarines, even smartphones were once fantasies. If we solve the problems, radiation, air, food, and fuel, we won't just visit Mars. We'll live there. Not in this decade, but maybe in your lifetime. Until then, Mars waits.